This spacious vaulted 3-bedroom great room home has the 4-point inspection already completed for you. Brand new roof 2026, new water heater and HVAC system recently replaced. All this plus the home has a well for your automatic irrigation system, saving you dollars every month on your water bill. Skylights in laundry room and master bath. Nice-sized kitchen adjacent to your breakfast room with a bay window overlooking the greenbelt. The exterior was recently painted in 2026. Glassed Florida room provides extra living space. The side entry garage with its sliding screen door is over 590 square feet, plenty of room for a workbench and extra storage. This home is very convenient to the Oak Village Sports Complex, which includes 4 hard-true clay tennis courts, 8 pickleball courts, a junior Olympic-size swimming pool with lanes for laps and a small gym. Membership is required to join this facility, but it is available and open to everyone. There are also 36 holes of golf and 2 clubhouses for dinners and lunches. Single or family memberships available. Home to be sold as is.